Okay, in this video we're going to take a look at AutoSum. So in this example we have some sales data for a couple different products and a couple different quarters. And what we want to do is add in a total for each quarter and a total for each product and just an overall total here. Obviously you can do that with the regular sum function, and you just type in sum and select your range, and then you can copy and paste that over and you can do the same thing here. But there is a quicker way, and that's using AutoSum. So to use AutoSum, what you do is select the range you want to sum up, and along with where you want the totals to be, the empty space where you want the totals to be. So in this example it's these areas right here. And then AutoSum, you can find it in the Home tab and in the Editing section. Not only can you use sums, but there is you can use min, max, count, and average functions automatically. But in this example, we're just going to use the sum function. So if we press that button, you can see that Excel has automatically populated our sum functions for us. And I'm just going to press Ctrl Z to undo that, because there is actually a faster way than using the ribbon, and there is a shortcut, a keyboard shortcut for this. And the keyboard shortcut is Alt equals. And so I use that all the time. It's not a big time saver, but cumulatively it will save you a lot of aggravation. So it's definitely worth knowing.